Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we'll talk about what is a file server. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a file server? A file server is a type of server dedicated to storing and managing files that can be accessed by multiple users or client devices over a network. Its primary function is to centralize file storage and enable file sharing within an organization or across the internet. Here are some key characteristics and functionalities of a file server. Number 1, storage. It provides storage space where users can store and organize their files such as documents, images, videos, and other types of data. Number 2, file sharing. Users connected to the network can access files stored on the file server, allowing for collaboration and easy um, sharing of information. Number 3, access control. Administrators can set permissions and access rights to regulate who can view, edit, or delete files, ensuring data security and privacy. Number 4, backup and recovery. File servers often include backup mechanisms to protect against data loss. They may also facilitate data recovery in case of accidental deletion or hardware failure. Number 5, centralized management. Centralized management tools allows administrators to monitor usage, allocate storage space, and perform maintenance tasks on the server. And lastly, we have here scalability. File servers can scale to accommodate growing storage needs by adding additional storage devices or expanding existing storage capacities. File servers are crucial in business environments where efficient file management, secure data access, and collaboration among employees are essential. They can be implemented using dedicated hardware servers or as virtualized instances in cloud computing environments. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a file server is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.